If you're in the market for a truck that won't break the bank and is built to last, stick around, we've got some gems for you. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the 2011 Ford Ranger. It's got a solid reliability rating of 86 out of 100 and a used price around $11,235. You can choose between a 2.3-liter inline-4 or a more powerful 4-liter V6 with towing capacities up to 5,800 pounds. Just remember to check for common issues like rust and aging components. At number 4 is the 2008 Toyota Tacoma. It's got a stellar reliability score of 87 out of 100 and an average price of $10,305. The Tacoma offers two engine options, a 2.7-liter inline-4 and a 4-liter V6. While it's great for towing and has low annual maintenance costs, be cautious of its 11 recalls. Number 3 is the 2009 Nissan Frontier. It's got a reliability rating of 87 and a budget-friendly price of $8,812. The Frontier boasts solid features like front independent suspension and all-season tires. Just be ready for its higher fuel costs. At number 2, we have a 2010 Ram Dakota. Priced just under $8,000, this pickup is a rugged and reliable choice with a reliability score of 87 out of 100. It comes with a 3.7-liter V6 or a 4.7-liter V8 and a variety of cab and bed configurations. It's the cheapest truck on this list and offers a powerful V8 option, but oddly, the best towing capacity is with the less powerful V6. Lastly, the 2014 Honda Ridgeline with a reliability rating of 89 and an average price of $15,299. This pickup is designed for adventure with its off-road ready features and modern comforts. It may have only one engine option, a 3.5-liter V6, but it's incredibly reliable and versatile.